Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, what's top of mind is that logistics is surging. The LA and Long Beach ports in 2025 broke all sorts of records. In fact, they each handled about 10 million TEUs, which is a 20-foot equivalent container, which, smashed prior records. In addition to handling more volume with trade uncertainty, tariffs, and other complications, they also reduced the dwell times from around a little over 3 days to 2.5. So that's a significant reduction. Rail and trucks also reduced dwell time from the ports. So how was this accomplished? It was attributed to strategic investments and collaborative partnerships. So what do we take away? We need to be thinking about how do we scale up. Obviously, manufacturing and supply chain are going to be ramping up and needing to scale. So how do we do this successfully? We need to be really thinking carefully about who could be our strategic partners, and how do we invest wisely and prepare for success.